Numbers in nature. Nature speaks through patterns we see. Under the sky, in every tree. Mountains, rivers, and stars above. Branches grow with gentle shove. Each flower opens with quiet grace. Repeating shapes fill every space. Spirals and shells, always the same. In every snowflake, a hidden name. Numbers guide the world's design. Nests are built with careful line. Angles form in every leaf. Tides come in and out, brief but neat. Under the moon, the ocean sways. Real beauty is in nature's ways. Everywhere, numbers shape our days.